Hello and welcome. Today I will be trying and testing out the new DIOR Backstage Rose Glow Stick blush. I have two shades. I have in berry and cherry. So berry is listed as 006 and cherry is 015. So they just come in classic DIOR packaging, and this is how they look like. So as you can see, my face is fully made up. I applied my makeup this morning. I'm fully powdered, and I'll just try this ones on top of the powder because these ones are my favorite, the Forever Glow. Forever Glow are my favorite, and I apply them on top of the powder with no problems. So I'm hoping that these ones will also be able to work on top of the powder. So let's swatch them. So this is cherry, and this is how it looks like. I'll just swatch it there. So that is cherry, and this is berry. So berry and cherry. Okay. So hair out of the way. This is berry, and I'll apply berry on my right hand side, which is your left. I just pick it up with a brush. I'm always cautious to go in direct and swipe. So just now this is how berry is applying. I'm just building it up for you to see how you can build it up. And it's applying really well on top of the powder with no lifting. I'll just zoom you a little bit more in so that you can see. So that, I hope you can see how well it's applied on top of the powder. So that is berry. Okay. And I hope you can tell the packaging are different. So cherry is a little bit reddish and berries, but it's just a heavy plastic. I'm not sure how I feel about it. It's the same packaging as the lip maximizer. So berry. Then on this side, we're applying cherry. And I'm just picking it up on the brush. So this is how Cherry is applying, and you can tell this is more, this Cherry shade requires a little bit of more building up. That's how Cherry looks. This is Berry. This is how they look like. Oh, just going with my powder brush and just blend the edges. These blushes, yes, they are nice, but you have to have like normal to dry skin in order to enjoy these ones, because they are very emollient. It feels more like Vaseline, if you can tell. So if I have to show you, let's swatch this one here. You see, this is how it is. Very, very, very emollient. And for those who love natural blush, I think this is nice. Just for me, I'll stick with these ones because they are very different, and these ones are more cooling on the skin. So you see, this is much more like a blush that I will go for than this one. This formula is either you love it or hate it. For me, it's not my favorite. I'm not sure. I'll have to test it more and make up my mind. But maybe before you order online, it's best to go into the store and just feel the formula for yourself first, because it's not really setting down and it's feeling like khaki. So I think if you have, see, so I'm very sure if you have like hair in your face without setting it, your hair will definitely stick. But I loved the application of it. Okay, there you have it, friends. I hope that you make a wise purchase. Thank you so much for watching. I love you and see you in the next one. Bye.